Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set up notifications reminder in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That is for particular three apps. You can just have the reminders every minute or every 5 minutes or whatever time you set. Just your phone itself remind the notifications. Okay, already notifications may be received, and just it will remind you that notifications are already received. Okay, so to remind those notifications for particular apps, just go to the settings and go to notifications, then go to advanced settings and go to here notification reminders. Just turn on this button and click over notification reminders, and here you can set remind every 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes up to 15 minutes you can choose. So every 15 minutes your phone will reminder these apps have the notifications. So you go to select those apps. Only three apps can be selected. Select apps to get reminders for. Click on it, and here you can select the app. Here I select Amazon, and then Facebook, and then Gmail. So these two apps, Amazon, Facebook, and Gmail, will get a reminder every 15 minutes when those apps have notifications received. In this way, you can easily set up notifications reminders on your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.